Want smoother, more accurate cuts in your woodworking projects? A quality router lift can completely transform your router table setup. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 router lifts available on Amazon, built for precision, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, these picks are designed to take your craftsmanship to the next level. Let's get started. Number 1. Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table. Do you love woodworking but struggle with trimming edges perfectly? Today, I'm showing you the game-changing Dremel 231 Router Table. This attachment transforms your Dremel rotary tool into a mini router table, making sanding, shaping, and trimming easier and more precise. It's lightweight, weighing just 975 grams, easy to set up, and great for small projects. Plus, it's corded for constant power. With over 3,700 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. If you're into DIY, this is a must-have tool. Check the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 2. SKIL RT132301 Router Table and 10-amp Fixed Base Router Kit. Looking for a router kit that offers both power and precision? Check out the SKIL RT132301 Router Table and 10-amp Fixed Base Router Kit, the ultimate upgrade for any DIY or woodworking pro. The 10-amp router hits up to 25,000 RPM, delivering smooth, powerful performance. The router table offers rock-solid stability for sanding, shaping, and trimming with total control. With adjustable speed and brake voltage, you're in command. Though it weighs 18.8 kilograms, its solid build ensures it lasts. If you need versatility and performance, this kit is a winner. Number 3. Rockler Trim Router Table. Want to take your woodworking from good to wow? Let me introduce you to the Rockler Trim Router Table, compact, sturdy, and built for precision. It features pre-drilled holes for easy setup, an adjustable base for steady control, and a high-visibility bit guard for safety. The 1/4-inch acrylic base may look light, but it's designed to last, making it perfect for heavy, continuous use. Whether trimming edges or working on fine details, this router table provides a professional finish every time. Upgrade your workspace with quality, control, and precision with the Rockler Trim Router Table. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Number 4. BOSCH RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. Looking for a sturdy and reliable router table for your woodworking projects? Meet the BOSCH RA1181 Benchtop Router Table, the perfect addition to your workshop. The 27x18 aluminum top is strong and durable, and the plunge and fixed base options give you the flexibility for various projects. Plus, the 2/2 vacuum hose port keeps your workspace clean while the corded power ensures steady performance. If you need precision and durability, the BOSCH RA1181 is the ideal choice. Number 5. Kreg PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift. Want precision and consistency in your router setups? The Kreg PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift is the solution. Made from aluminum, steel, and plastic polymer, this lift is durable for heavy use. The fixed base ensures stability, and smooth height adjustments guarantee perfect routing every time. Weighing just 10.8 pounds, it's easy to install and operate. If you need precision, repeatability, and easy adjustments, the Kreg PRS 5000 is a must-have for your router table setup. These were our top 5 products. If you liked any of them, the link is in the description. For more review, here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.